Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a stop to Lyft application. If you want to add temporary stops while riding on your Lyft, then the process is quite easy. Open up the Lyft application from your mobile device and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the search box where it says "Where are you going?" and tap on it. Now, enter your starting location in the first tab and then tap on the little plus button right in between the box on the right hand side. You can then add a stop in between. In the Add Stop option, select and enter the stop location. You can also set the location on map by tapping on Set on Map. Choose your stop location and tap on Set Stop, and then finally type in your destination on the last field. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to add a stop between your destination. Now, select the Lyft you would like to use from the available list and tap on the Select button at the bottom of the screen. Remember that Lyft allows only one additional stop, and adding too many stops might be difficult for the driver and could impact your wait time or acceptance by drivers. So that is how you will be able to add a stop before you reach your final destination on Lyft. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.